Hi students, welcome all. Today we are going to discuss chapter number 15, statistics. In this chapter we are going to study measures of dispersion. In our previous class we discussed about measures of central tendencies, that is mean, median and mode. Today in this module we are going to discuss about range, mean deviation and standard deviation. First of all, we discuss about mean deviation. Mean deviation. Mean deviation, we discuss about mean deviation about mean deviation about mean for two types of data. One is ungrouped data and the second one is grouped data. We all know what is ungrouped data and grouped data. Ungrouped data is raw data or individual observation. Grouped data is discrete series or continuous series. Let us discuss some problem on mean deviation. Okay. Question number 1. Find the mean deviation about the mean for the data 6, 7, 10, 12, 13, 4, 8 and 12. We are going to discuss mean deviation. Mean deviation means mean of the deviations. That is, first of all we have to find the mean, that is x. First column is x. X is 6, 7, 10, 12, 13, 4, 8 and 12. We have to find the sum of the column x. We find the sum is 72. Then you can find x bar, that is mean. Mean is equal to, we know that sigma x by n. For ungrouped data, this is ungrouped data, raw data or individual observation. In this we can find 72 divided by the number of observation is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, which is equal to, we get 9. Then we are going to find the deviation. Deviation is d, which is equal to xi minus x bar. Subtract x bar from each x, that is 6 minus 9. 6 minus 9 is minus 3, minus 2, 1, 3, 4, minus 5. 4 minus 9 is minus 5, minus 1 and 3. Then we find the modulus of, that is absolute values of the deviation. It is 3, 2, 1, 3, 4, 5, 1 and 3. Now we are going to find the mean of deviation. Here the deviation, absolute values of deviation are 3, 2, 1, 3, 4, 5 and 1, 3. Their sum is, we have to find the sum of these observations. We get 22. Now mean deviation about mean, which is equal to summation modulus d divided by number of observation, that is equal to, we get 22 divided by 8, which is equal to 2.75. okay. Now question number 2. Find the mean deviation about mean for the data. We are going to find the mean deviation about mean for a grouped data, that is XF, means it is discrete series. XI, FI or XF, that is 2, 5, 6, 8, 10, 12, and the corresponding frequencies are 2, 8, 10, 7, 8 and 5. Solution, first we write X, then F. The X values are 2, 5, 6, 8, 10 and 12. Corresponding frequencies are 2, 8, 10, 7, 8 and 5. First of all we find Fx, that is F into X. We know that finding mean X bar equal to sigma Fx divided by capital N. Capital N means sum of frequencies. Here sum of the frequencies is, if we add the frequency we get 40. Then now we find Fx. F into X is 2 2s are 4, 5 4s are 40 and 6 10s are 60, 8 7s are 56, 10 8s are 80 and 12 into 5 it is 60. Here we get the sum as 300. Now the mean is 300 divided by 40 or 30 by 4, that is 15 by 2, or it is 7.5. Now if we find the deviations, deviation means D. D is equal to, from each xi we have to subtract x bar. After that we find the absolute value of the deviation, that is modulus of D. Finally F into mod D. Then x minus x bar, that is 7.5, we have to subtract 2 minus 7.5, we get minus 5.5. Here minus 2.5, 6 minus 7.5 is minus 1.5, 8 minus 7.5 is 0.5, 2.5 and 12 minus 1.5, 7.5 we get 4.5. After that its absolute value we get 5.5, 2.5, 1.5, 0.5, 2.5 and 4.5. Then you have to multiply F into D. That is 5.5 into 10 is, sorry, 5.5 is into frequency into mod D. This 2 times 5.5 is 11. 8 times 2.5 is, it is 20. And 10 into 1.5 we get 15. 3.5, next 20. Finally we get 22.5. We have to find the sum of F into modulus D, that is we get 92. Then the formula for mean deviation about mean is sigma F mod D divided by capital N, that is equal to 92 divided by 40 is equal to, we get 2.3. We find the mean deviation about mean for the grouped data, that is discrete series. Now we are going to find the mean deviation about mean for continuous data. Question number 3. Find the mean deviation about mean for the data. Here, class and frequency are given. That is, class is 1020, 2030, 3040, 4050, 5060, 6070, 70 and 80. Corresponding frequencies are 2, 3, 8, 14, 8, 3 and 2. Solution. The first column is class, then the second column will be frequency. Class is 10 20, 20 30, 30 40, 40 50, 50 60, 60 70, finally 70 and 80. Corresponding frequencies are 2, 3, 8, 14, 8, 3 and 2. Sum of the frequencies, that is sigma f capital N is equal to sigma f, that is equal to, here we get 40. N is equal to sigma f, then we have to find the midpoints, that is mid values. Mid values means we have to find xi. Then to find the mid values, as you add 10 and 20 divided by 2, this 10 plus 20, 30 by 2 is 15. Here we get 15, 25, 35, 45, 55, 65 and 75. We get midpoints, that is xi. Or to find the mean, we know that mean is equal to mean. The formula for finding mean, that is x bar equal to sigma fx divided by capital N. So we have to find fx. Fx means 2 into 15. 2 into 15 is 30. 3 into 25, it is 75. 30, 75, get 280, 630, 440, 195 and 2 into 75, finally 2 into 75 is 150. And to find the sum of this column, fx column, we get 1800. From this we can find the mean. It is equal to 1800 divided by 40, we get 180 by 4 or 90 by 2, which is equal to 45. Then we find the deviations. Deviations is equal to x minus x bar. X minus x bar. From each xi we have to subtract x bar. Directly you can find the absolute values of the deviation. Then we get 45, that is from x 45. 15 minus 45 is minus 30. Take the absolute value, you get 30. Next is 20, 10, then 0, 10, 20 and 30. The next step will be f into modulus d. F into modulus d is equal to, we get f into d, that is multiplying f into this absolute values of deviation. 2 into 30 is 60, 3 into 20, again it is 60, 8 into 10 is 80, 14 into 0, we get 0, 8 into 10, it is 80, 3 into 20, 60, 2 into 30, we get 60. We have to sum this column, we get 400. Finally, we are going to find the mean deviation about mean, which is equal to sigma f mod d divided by capital N, which is equal to 400 divided by 40. We get the answer as 10. Clear? This is 3 type of problems of mean deviation. Mean deviation about mean for raw data, that is for ungrouped data, and we studied the second problem, mean deviation of mean about mean deviation about mean for discrete series, that is for grouped data, and this one is for continuous series. Okay students, we will discuss mean deviation about median in our next module. Okay, thank you all.